If you can follow what I am going to tell you in this video carefully, you are going to change your language learning forever. So in this video, we are going to talk about how you can overcome language learning challenges, especially when you're learning English for general purposes or when preparing exams such as IELTS or TOEFL. We all know that mastering a language isn't just about memorizing words. It's about engaging in real, unpredictable conversations. But finding a patient partner who matches your level isn't always easy, right? Well, challenges no more. With Bard AI, you now have a conversation buddy available 24/7. It's like having a multilingual friend in your pocket, ready to chat whenever, wherever. Let's break down 3 ways Bard is reshaping our language learning journey. Firstly, Bard gives us the freedom to practice conversation on our terms, anytime, anywhere. Just fire up Bard, type or speak, and voila! You're now engaging in a lively chat in your target language. But Bard's magic doesn't stop there. As you know, one of the hardest parts of mastering a new language is learning how to describe things: shape, positioning, texture. One of Bard's greatest features is its ability to interact with images. It's a game changer. You upload an image, ask Bard to describe it, and just like that, you're having a real conversation about things you can see. It's visual learning taken to a whole new level.
The image shows a laptop computer with a blank screen sitting on top of a white desk. The laptop is open and there is a cup of coffee next to it. The laptop is positioned in the center of the image and is the only object in focus. The background is blurred and out of focus. The lighting is soft and even, and the image has a warm and inviting feel to it.
But what if we upload a vocabulary sheet and ask Bard to give us the definition of each word in Spanish, or to describe something using the words in the list? Moving on to our next point, Bard isn't just about practice. It's about applying your language skills into real-world scenarios. Bard has the ability to look things up in the internet. Planning a trip to Istanbul? Ask Bard for fun activities and the Turkish vocabulary you'll need. It's practical, fun, and incredibly engaging. Now, what about sharing these with your teacher or a study group? Bard's got your back with its shareable conversation links. It's a new way to get feedback and keep the learning ball rolling. You can ask your English teacher to give feedbacks on your practice with Bard. Or you can share the link to your conversation with your friends to inspire them to practice the same way. The possibilities are endless. This is where humans plus machines can create something truly special. Last but certainly not the least, getting started with Bard is really easy. Just head to bard.google.com, log in with your Google account, and you're all set. The interface is easy to figure out. Click here to type. Click here to speak. Click here to have Bard read the responses. And click here to share the link to your conversation. Also, you have the option to modify your responses to be more casual, longer or short. Now, it's not all rainbows. There are some drawbacks like the limitation of language options and the current absence of the mobile app. There are alternatives AI tools like Bing and Pi, which we've covered in the previous videos. Don't forget to watch them. There you have it. Bard is pushing boundaries, making language learning more interactive and accessible. Before you dash off, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep chatting and keep learning.